presentation was that it's very important for national planning to be able to gather data from the ground, and we need to have robust systems that also provide, backlog data. And I think this is a very mammoth task, sir. Congratulations on this. That's a first point. The second point is that the concept of the investments in such large-scale data gathering be available for other people, for researchers, for planners, and for international organizations. Letting it open is a very good philosophy. And I think this is something that we should help to propagate, that other initiatives which are looking at large-scale basing and management should promote the concept of open knowledge sharing. And I think that comes up as a key recommendation, I think, from this presentation. Yes, sir, you have.
Then I would like to, just for the benefit of the schools are there, we can also search the information by pin code. Just see the pin code. And if I search the pin, it's not coming, it's not properly coming, it's not displayed here. The icon has not come, otherwise I would have shown you, okay. The page is not completely displayed here. So it's not possible to show you. So the second one is basic search, and the third one is the advanced search, where because of the browser limitations, this is not properly disseminated. The other one is the advanced search. Those who are interested to work on a particular type of schools, like if I want to work on the schools which has got the disabled children, physically challenged children, you can select, you can set your criteria, and accordingly, the icon is not coming. And accordingly, the entire database can be searched. If I want to study on single teacher school or schools which have got only the para teachers, then I would able to set my criteria accordingly. So the advanced search is very important one. The basic search is also very important, but the locate school is to be used only when we know the location of our school. But the beauty of our website is that anyone can register free of cost and download the data in the Excel format, the entire database. Let's suppose we have opted that we are interested in single teacher school. So along with the single teacher school, all missing school to us, and we take up the matter with the state project director, so that in the next round of data collection, the information can be, that particular school can be covered. Similarly, the guest book, if you go through the guest book, you will be able to see, because we believe that if the information is put into the public domain, if it is in the public domain, it will also help us in further improving the quality of our data. Only a few days back, one of the users, he reported that I am the headmaster of this particular school, and your report card suggests that there is no headmaster in the school. This is not good. This is not correct. So we know the reason may be that at that time the school might not have the headmaster, or the information was not supplied correctly. So we requested him to kindly get in touch with the concerned cluster resource center coordinator, so that in the next round, you please ensure that your data is correctly supplied and filled in our data capture format. Similarly, a particular visitor who is located in the Washington, he said that according to your website, I am from the Odisha in particular school. You have shown that the school is having a pakka or a permanent boundary wall, but I belong to this school. I am working for the promotion of the elementary education in that particular school, and this school has got a, please click this particular link. When we click that particular link, we have seen that the school is having a boundary wall, but that was the broken one. So it will create awareness about those who are interested in the promotion of the elementary level of education. This is the only way through we can bring transparency into the whole system, and ultimately it is going to help parents, teachers, headmaster, community leaders, village leaders, and those who are interested in the elementary level of education. We are quite confident that the quality of data will further improve in the years which follow, which has already been improved. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.